Hello guys, I bought a brand new portable vacuum cleaner. BAUER is the brand name, but the battery is not included. It's similar to my portable blower that I showed from my previous video. So let's open the box. But before we open the box, uh, I bought an extra battery, 1.5 ampere. If you can see, it's very thin, not like this. Uh, my old battery is 3.0 ampere. It's more thicker than this one, and of course it's much more stronger than this one. So okay, let's try it. There's a manual. This is the one. Okay guys, let's test, or let's check, let's find out how strong this vacuum is. So if you notice, I put some dirt sample on the floor. Okay, let's try it. So I will use the bigger battery, the 3.0 ampere. Okay, so if you can see, all the dirt was gone, nothing left, so it's all here. See? Okay, that's all. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to click and subscribe. Bye.